Now that you're all signed up with your Bird Fuels SuperPass, let us walk you through how to use your card at one of our Cardlock locations. Pull up to the pump and shut off your vehicle. Make sure you're at the right fuel island for your needs. Insert your Bird Fuels SuperPass into the card reader. The magnetic strip should face to the right. Enter your unique driver ID or PIN. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You may be asked to enter your unit number or odometer reading. This helps track usage for your fleet or personal records. Select your fuel type, then lift the nozzle and begin fueling like you would at any other station. When you're done, return the nozzle to the pump and put your card back into the reader to get your receipt, and you're good to go. That's it. Easy, secure, and convenient. If you ever need support, our Bird Fuels team is just a call away. Fuel smarter with Bird Fuels and the SuperPass. Safe travels.